Ever tried making an AI character only to have it look totally different the next time? Frustrating, right? Now imagine making a signature AI character that looks the same in every image, every video, every project. No more random results. It is possible. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to fix that problem and create AI characters that stay consistent every single time using an excellent and easy-to-use AI tool. Want to learn the secret to creating perfectly consistent AI characters in just a few minutes? Keep watching. Let's get started. I've asked ChatGPT to help me create characters. Here's my prompt. Then I asked it to write more, changing only the actions. Then I asked it, does that make sense? So I did this same process a few more times so that I could compare images from scene to scene. I had it make prompts based on new characters too. Now I'll take all these prompts and create images with them using this new software. So let's get started. One of the hardest things to do whenever you're making anything with AI tools is maintaining consistency with characters. Here is a pretty girl in her workout clothes out in the park exercising. Here is another image I made. Notice anything? What about how consistent they are? So this is the same character doing very similar things. Let me show you another one. Here is the same girl in a different pose. Same hair, the same outfit, the same shoes, the little dogs, everything. So very consistent. Normally, this is very, very hard to do, especially over multiple images. So let's look at another one. In this one, a young man is working in an office. He has a really nice shirt, drinking coffee, etc. I've also got this one. The same man, different pose, drinking coffee, and working on the computer. Very, very similar. Let me show you something completely different. This one. This one is much more cartoony and would be perfect in a kid's illustration storybook. A young boy out in a magical forest. And here's another one. Different pose, but very similar. So you can see the hair, the eye color, the clothing, shoes, etc. I've got the squirrel sitting on the stump and all the different trees, the mushrooms, and everything. So very consistent. Would you like to be able to make images like this yourself? With one character and multiple images, and keep them all very consistent? I've got a secret for you I'm going to share with you in just a second, so hang around. Are you ready? So let's get started. Right now, I'm on a site called ImageFX. This is by Google. It's one of the Google Labs tools. There's my prompt, and I was very specific, but ChatGPT wrote it for me. Here's a description of the boy. Hair color, freckles, toothy grin, using a walking stick. He's got a vest, tan shirt, cargo shorts, brown hiking boots, and a backpack. Even the setting is consistent. This AI gave me exactly what I asked for. Here's a few more examples. So it's very, very good if you were doing a storybook or a video and you wanted your images to look very similar as far as the character goes. This would be perfect. Now let me show you a secret. If you come down here, look around. I'm going to leave it just like it is now. Check this out. This is unlocked. Lock it. So now the seed is locked. So let's go back up here and make some changes. Now I've got a new prompt. I'll add it here. I'm going to keep everything pretty much the same as is, except for what he's doing. So let's get rid of that. This time he's holding a map. So we kept the seed the same. So it should give us something that looks almost exactly the same. And look at that. There's the boy. And now he's holding a map. Here he is in another pose. And here's another. And here's another one. Very, very close. That's the one we had from before. Look at how close these are. Okay, so what do you think about that? Let's test one more. Now we'll use this guy. Here's the prompt from before. Not all of them are good, but 2 were very good. So this time I'll use the same prompt and I'll change up the prompt just a bit, so now he is talking on the phone. Keep the same seed. Click create. And here we have it. He is talking on the phone. Here's one at another angle. So these are excellent. This is the first one, so you can see how consistent it is. So if you want to create something and you want it to be consistent, this is definitely a tool I would use. And here's the secret. This is completely free. so keep it a secret if you can, right? So I hope this has helped you. Come in here and try it out. In fact, I'll share a few that I've already made. And you see, they're very consistent, so I highly encourage you come try it out. So here's where I'm at right now, and they do have other things you can try, and I'll try them all in another video.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.